But to clear the air, I'm happy to announce that Sharifuddin Azman, or Damok, who is currently in the second place in the FIM Junior Championship overall standing, shall be a wildcard rider for Moto3 category.
Like you got the athletes to take their places, and is everyone ready? And now, as announced earlier, our wildcard entry to Moto3, introducing the first runner-up junior MotoGP winner, Sharifuddin Azman, go on stage!
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Terima kasih sahabat saya. That was a very emotional and good opening from you. Thank you so much. Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Ahmad Faizal bin Datuk Zumu, Minister of Youth and Sports, our guest of honor for today. Yang Bahagia Datuk Jana Santiran Munayan, Secretary General of Ministry of Youth and Sports. Yang Bahagia Datuk Alif Zulkifli, Executive Vice President and Chief Executive Officer Upstream Business of Petronas. Yang Bahagia Tan Sri Mozani Mahathir, President of Motorsports Association of Malaysia, aka Father of Motorsports. Thank you for coming. Yang Bahagia Tan Sri Azman Yahya, Chairman of Sepang International Circuit. If Tan Sri Mozani is the father, Tan Sri Azman is also our father as well for motorsports, so we have two fathers of motorsports. Yang Bahagia Datin Anita Azrina Abdul Aziz, Senior General Manager of Petronas. I want to say the mother of motorsports, but you're still young, right? So sister of motorsports. Distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening, and selamat datang to the official launch of the Petronas Grand Prix of Malaysia 2022. Before I continue my speech, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to the guests of honor, Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Ahmad Faizal bin Datuk Azumu, Minister of Youth and Sports Malaysia, for spending time with us this evening. First of all, thank you for joining us, and I'm thrilled that after 2 years, consecutive years of cancellation, we are finally here today to celebrate the comeback of MotoGP fever in Malaysia. Now everyone at the circuit is working very hard and look forward to welcome home all the local and international motorsport fans to Sepang after 2 years hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And today officially marks the countdown of the 23rd edition of the highly anticipated race weekend on 21st to 23rd of October 2022, which is about 65 days away. I can feel the excitement in the air as we count down the days to the showdown in Sepang, not forgetting the amount of speculation out there relating to the announcement of the World Cup rider. Ladies and gentlemen, we could not have been here where we are today without the fans and the partners that made Malaysia MotoGP what it is today. This year marks the first year of Petronas as a title sponsor for the Grand Prix, taking over from Shell. Thank you, Shell, and with you we have seen waves of success during the 10 years together. SSC definitely looks forward to more meaningful years with the national pride Petronas, and we believe that we can re-energize and bring the event to a higher standard for the benefit of Malaysians and motorsport fans around the world. I would like to express my sincerest and deepest appreciation to our corporate partners for the tremendous support over the years. I'm sure we will have another exciting event this year as we rebound from the pandemic, and the team at SIC is working hard to further enhance your experience with us. I would also like to acknowledge the special role of our media friends, especially those who are attending this event today, in helping to promote and highlight the event and Malaysia to the whole world. Distinguished guests, this year is the first year with no Malaysian riders competing full season in the championship since 2020. I believe all these years, one of the reasons that fans keep coming back to Sepang is due to the participation of Malaysian riders in the championship. I know many of you have been speculating about the World Cup rider, and I must say some of you might already know who this person is. But to clear the air, I'm happy to announce that Sharifuddin Azman, or Damok, who is currently in the second place in the FIM Junior Championship overall standing, shall be a World Cup rider for Moto3 category. We hope that this edition, Damok will be a pull factor for Malaysians to cheer our fellow Malaysians on the grid. I believe it will gather not just the fans to the race, but also his fan base to come and support and watch him perform live in Sepang. Now, special off-track activities have been lined up for the fans, starting with the pre-event on Wednesday race week, which is the Riders Cooking Contest, showcasing talented MotoGP riders in Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur. These ever-popular race weekend activities, such as the public pit lane walk and riders autograph session, will take place on 21st October 2022, where the fans can get up close and personal with their favorite riders such as Fabio Quartararo, Pecco Bagnaia, Jack Miller, Maverick Vinales, Alex Rins, and our Malaysian star Damok, and many others. Fans can also anticipate to get their hands on special merchandise items to take home at the much-awaited Mega MotoGP Carnival, featuring over 100 renowned brands and exclusive MotoGP experience. The night track tour will be happening from Friday 21st October to Saturday 22nd October, which is currently now on sale. Ladies and gentlemen, experience has taught us that if we want to attract bigger audience, we need to create more reasons than just the race alone for fans to come to the circuit to catch the action. Now, with this in mind, SSE is proud to be the first Grand Prix to present a new lifestyle offering and a curated festival experience that combines local food and culture, outdoor activations, live music, art installations, and other unique activities under one roof. And to make things even more exciting, we are giving away a brand new Yamaha MVX and Y15ZR, Y-Suku, with a limited, SIC limited edition livery worth 22,000 ringgit to 2 lucky draw winners through our exciting Malaysia GP 2022 Mega Lucky Draw Contest. So for those of you who have not bought the tickets, please buy now for you to stand a chance to win these bikes. Now we are also running several contests which fans cannot afford to miss. The Money Can Buy experience, which is the grid walk for MotoGP, Moto2 and Moto3 race, and also a safety car ride. So do check out our social media channels from time to time for the latest information. Last but not least, in conjunction with Merdeka Day, SIC is running a special promotion available starting today until 31st of August 2022. Tickets are starting to sell fast right now, and I would like to remind fans to get the tickets on www.sepangsircuit.com, where my card holders can enjoy 10% discount. For everyone's information, we are making gradual steps to inculcate sustainability initiatives by implementing a digital ticketing format for this year. With that, I would like to thank you, all of you who have made your way here for today's launch. Hope to see you around again and enjoy the rest of the evening. See you at the Petronas Grand Prix of Malaysia this October. Thank you.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Yang Mulia Encik Azhar Syafriman, CEO of Sepang International Circuit. Cakap pun macam masalah Sepang International Circuit. Have you guys noticed something new with Encik Shah?